the Four Noble Wisdoms of the Huda. Nothing to see but sound is radiance. The deep eye of no self equals no body. Nothing to hear but silence as fire. The deep ear of no thought equals no world. Nothing to be but true as free heart being. The deep heart of no mind equals no human. Nothing to do but burn and transcend into heart practice and full realization. The deepest practice equals no realization.
Those don't seem to leave anything to ask questions about. It seems like
We're not talking about asking questions, talking about commentary, giving answers. So, someone can say, "Oh, it's so good. It is good."
Mm-hmm.
That could be a question.
Yeah.
It is good. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it is on a different level than commonplace conversation. Average questions, striving.
Knowing. See, the practice is not about what you know or don't know, actually. It's what's left when the burn occurs. So we can't say nothing because you're not sure you know what that is. We don't say it's something because who can be sure what that is? Something could be nothing, nothing could be something. Something could be everything. Nothing could be everything. Neither something nor nothing could be everything. And nothing. It's not about the books. It's about getting rid of you. So it could be said that when you're not here, when the you is gone, then the no one is here. Now, is there a difference between the no one and the you, or the not you? Is there the sameness of the you and the not you? Are they the same? It is said only no one has true realization. And we're talking about the experience of realization, not the theory of it, not the word of it, merely the word of the thought or the sound of it as such. Because then the true realization is true silence. It's the real. And so we're using words, but we're not talking about words. It's like the boom. So we may be referring directly to the presence of what it is. No one's there. Nothing is there. It's not even here. It may be something that transcends perception. Yet it's related to it. but not limited to it or by it. So we have to ponder, right? There's a pondering now. Who or what is transcendent silence? Who or what is silent transcension? Who or what is not transcendent silence? Who has entered the hot fire sound of no one? Is there anyone who's not here deeply enough to hear silence? So when you appear to be playing, who's here that's not actually playing? So the no one doesn't appear, it doesn't hear, and it plays nothing. And this is the ever-presence of no one appearing. No one teaching. No one taught.
My experience of what you are describing, and describing is too weak a word, demonstrating. Outside of here it's very subtle. There are whispers here and there. There are glimpses.
Yeah, echoes.
Yeah.
Echoes, yeah.
But here, the experience is very obvious, very present.
You mean there's like a glimpse of awakening? Yeah. Yeah. And a super subtlety, see? It's a fine presence that has an absence of sensing. It's not how you sense it. It just is. So it's not from here to there or this to that. It's like boom. Meditation on the spot. Of course, beginner's meditation on the spot. Why would it be any more than that? Everything is a beginning. Just a beginning. And then not even that. We're already here. It's no beginning. It's the ongoing. And then it's already ended, so it's over. No body. No now. No there. No other. No one else. And that's called self-transcending practice. Already gone. Self-transcended practice. Always here.
And there are seeming distractions, like the perception through my eyes of you and this room.
The perception of objects
Yeah.
and subjectivity, it's you perceiving. Perceiver and perceived. Right? They disappear. They only appear to be arising. Nothing's arising. It's safe to say, whatever nothing is then. So the Master says, let's say, you must progress. You have to step up, move up, forward, out. And the student asks, well, how am I supposed to do that? How can I do that? And then the teacher says, you have to take one step backwards to infinity. Can you do that? Step into infinity. Listen to the body breathing. Feel the body living. Let the light pass ear to ear, eye to eye. Ear to know ear, to know ear, to know. Here, here, here. In the Master's company, you have proven to every second you're here, the infiniteness and nothingness of spirit. And every word is a visual. Every word is catastrophic. And part of the unceasing breaking through from self-binding blood karma, culture, to liberated being in the presence of the living itself. There are wisdom teachings that appear to be at times theoretical as effect. But when they are understood as source. That is good practice. Since silence infinitely is, no one can teach you anything about it. There's nothing to be taught about it. It is nothing. It is nothing to be taught or heard. It's also nothing to be untaught or unheard. When you are in that resonance of the untaught and the unheard, or the unknown as well, then what is there? What is there? Who is there? What is there? And why is there anything? So is that who or what and why is anything? Is that relative to absence, or is that relative to presence? Could there be a thing that is absent? Could there be something that is present? Is that a comment or an answer? There are no ears, so how can anything be heard? There's no hearing. How can anyone learn anything? If there are no ears and no hearing, what good is music? What is that? Silence rules. Practice transcends caring. You know this, know that, no self, no other. Transcends thinking, questioning, rationalizing, figuring anything out. It's gone. You're gone. You didn't know that. You have to know when you're gone. Or when it goes. It's not about where or when. It's a real event. Zero. So you have to tolerate zero-ness. That could be good practice. There is no who gives a shit, say, about thinking or knowing, figuring anything out. It's gone. It's very simple. There could be the absence that everyone is hoping for. Right? The great samadhi, sort of indestructible sort of presence. It's gone. It's not even that. No one cares about that. If you're caring about it, you missed it. You lost it. So, there's no caring about it. It's void. So it's empty. It's empty of differentiation and calculation. See? And recalculation. And saying, oh. Right. It's not a gesture. It's not a self. It's not one who cares. And we're not talking about lack of compassion. This is ultimate compassion. Liberation. The word is liberation. Good concept. When is it real? Therefore, it is said, any learning is confusion. Any thinking is confusion. Any recognition is confusion. Any single thing is confusion. Any single sound is confusion. Burn everything on the spot. And learn nothingness from the heart itself. Always here, already gone. Only gone. No. Good. When the teacher asks a question, it's a question without an effect. See? So then that question is not a question. And then that question, which is not a question, and not seeking for any kind of effect, is beyond answering. So it's gone. Like says who? It's gone. Why? It's gone. Then the point is, how long can one tolerate this zero-ness? What some might call nirvanic presence, a contemplation of nirvanic cognition, zero. Already superior to and beyond the mind of thinking, self, confusion, and so on. Already gone. Before and after is gone. There is no self-obliterating answer. It's gone already. There's nothing. There's no self anyway. There's no self to be obliterated. You have to get that. You have to rest in that. It's good practice. Give up, right? You have to let it go. Give up. Who cares? Come in.
No. No comment.
That's your comment. It's okay. Fall free into true heart space, true heart nature, serene being. Fall free. Is it? Right. Already diving off the cliff of self-interest, self-knowing, self-knowledge, beyond, to the void, nothing, zero. So, into the gaseous, the atomic, the vapors of spirit. breathing, no body, no self, no thought, no mind, no world, nothing. Here, no here. Just gone. Going, gone. Into itself. The you. Only you.